Hi friends, let us check out importance of aloe vera and how to prepare aloe vera hair oil. Aloe vera is the one of the oldest plant on the earth, which was known to provide many amazing health benefits for skin, hair and to the body. Aloe vera is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. It is also rich in vitamin C and E, which helps in keeping your skin young and healthy. Aloe vera hair oil is one of the best remedy to prevent hair fall and to strengthen hair follicles. So without delay, let us know how to prepare aloe vera hair oil. Now take small quantity of oil and apply this to overall scalp and hair by taking out each and every layer. Massage with this oil evenly from roots to the tips of the hair and leave it for overnight. Once you are done with oil, wash your hair with mild shampoo. Aloe vera hair oil promotes hair growth, prevents itching of scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. It has ability to strengthen your hair follicles and gives strong, smooth and bouncy hair. So I recommend to use aloe vera hair oil on regular basis for better results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.